fam? Welcome back to my channel where hospitality is host, and today we're serving butterflied buffalo shrimp. For this appetizer, I'm Mike G, and this is Flavor Foodie. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm going to be using flour, cornstarch, and MASA if you want. It's optional. I use it from time to time when I cook fish. So I've already deveined my shrimp. I cleaned and washed them, and I also butterflied the shrimp. I'm Mike G, and this is Flavor Foodie, where hospitality is host. So I'll be using my egg wash along with some Panko Bread Crumbs. This includes flour, and I'll be using as well some cornstarch. You can use MASA as well too. So these are the seasonings that I'll be using, guys. Lemon pepper, some onion powder, along with some garlic powder. I'm not trying to overpower the shrimp. I'm just trying to add to the flavor of the shrimp to complement it. All of the ingredients is on the screen. Butterfly buffalo shrimp appetizers. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to know how your dish turns out. That seasoning is only supposed to complement the food, not to suppress it. So if you're only tasting the saltiness of the seasoning on anything you're cooking, you're really not having an experience. Because having that experience is being able to taste the original flavor of the food, complemented by the seasonings that you put on that chicken or oxtails or beef. So I'm just breading the shrimp now, and I've dipped it into the egg wash. From the egg wash, I went back into the flour, and from that, I don't show you in this one, but I did go into the panko breadcrumb, and that's what gave it that crispier look. And that's what I was looking for, so that when we dip it in the buffalo wing sauce, we would still be able to taste a little bit of that crunch. We'll put 2 at a time into our hot grease. We'll get them nice and golden brown. I'm just going to leave them in here approximately for a minute or 2. They are a pretty large tiger shrimp. About a minute or 2 on each side. I have my palette turned down to medium heat. The ingredients is down in the description box for you. You'll be able to replicate the recipe if you like. I'd love to know what it turns out, what you're doing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. I'd like to know what you think about the recipe and how you enjoyed it, and share it with me so I can share it with others. I'll fry these up golden brown, and they'll be tasty just the way they are. And you can also eat them with some cocktail sauce without the buffalo wing sauce. One of my favorites out of the archives of Flavor Foodie, and I have a whole bunch more I'd like to share with you. And that's coming in the weeks ahead as we embark on the new year. These are the ingredients I'll be leaving below, and I'll also leave them on the screen so you can see them as I go step by step in the process of making the buffalo wing sauce for our butterfly shrimp. With the Worcestershire and the onion and the garlic and that celery, it's just crazy good. It's delicious, really. And for the Asian Zing, I'm just going to use some chili sauce, and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, crushed garlic to it, along with some crushed ginger. This is going to heighten the flavor of the chili sauce and then give us an Asian Zing sauce, which is very delicious. You can find that in your grocery store for the chili sauce, that is. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to know how your recipe has turned out. I'm Mike G, and this is Flavor Foodie. I'm going to strain the buffalo wing sauce. This is the buffalo wing sauce that I would use on wings, but we're going to take this sauce and we're going to put it on the butterfly buffalo wing shrimp. This is a wonderful, tasty dish. It can be very addictive too, so be careful. I only eat this once in the blue moon. I mean, it's just that good. You ought to taste this. What an appetizer. For my Asian zing, I'm gonna chop up a little bit of garlic, at least 2 cloves of garlic, along with a teaspoon of ginger. Then I like to make my own blue cheese. I like to make it a specific way. I do use sour cream, a cup of mayonnaise. I'll put all of the ingredients on the screen for you, along with the ingredients in the subscription box below. That'll be the full recipe. This is an appetizer that you can serve up to your family or friends that are coming over during the holidays. Golden brown. Tasty. Actually, you can eat them just like this with a little bit of cocktail sauce. But I prefer to do a little bit more to this. So we'll turn them into butterfly buffalo shrimp. All right, fam, let's plate this up and I'll be right back with you. One of the wonderful things about this dish is it's a very tasty dish, but I would only serve this once in a somewhat blue moon. This dish is a very addictive dish. That's how delicious it is. Yum, this is really tasty, I'm telling you. When you mix that with the blue cheese and that buffalo wing sauce I created, you get this very astronomical flavor between the two. Butterfly buffalo shrimp, fam. Hey y'all, listen, thanks again for coming to my channel and being a part of the Flavor Foodie family. I really enjoy that. Always remember, seasonings are also to complement your food, not to suppress the very taste thereof. Butterfly buffalo shrimp appetizer. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Hospitality is host. Until the next recipe, you've been flavorized.